Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with Buick infotainment system, OnStar guidance emergency communication system, 6-way power driver seat adjuster, preferred equipment group 1SL, all-weather floor liners, rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ride and handling suspension, heated driver and front passenger seat, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.